Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is lesson number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, from class 6th English textbook Honeysuckle. So students, as the title suggests, in this lesson we are going to read a story of the famous astronaut Kalpana Chawla, who was an India-born American astronaut. So in 1997, this Indian American Kalpana Chawla was the part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So here what are we going to see that in 1997 this lady Kalpana Chawla, she became the first India born astronaut who went into space, and she became the part of the US Space Shuttle Columbia. But sadly, what did happen when she was returning back to land? Her spacecraft that met one tragedy, and all the 7 members who were the part of that mission, they were killed. A news report. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st Feb 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. 1930 hours IST as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in the orbit for 16 days, and 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So children, this is the news report that was published just after the tragedy took place. Tragedy of the crash of Columbia, the space shuttle, in which Kalpana Chawla along with 6 other members was traveling, and she was returning back to Earth from the space. So, what is told in this news that US Space Shuttle Columbia, which was carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, crashed over Texas while landing on Saturday, 1st Feb 2003. And during this crash, all the 7 members who were in the spacecraft, they all were killed. This happened sharp at 9 a.m. The shuttle lost its contact with NASA. It was flying at the altitude of over 2 lakh feet, and its traveling speed was 20,000 kilometers per hour when the ground control lost its contact with the shuttle. Columbia took its 20th flight on 16th January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, and it stayed in the orbit for 6 days. And the crew members, along with Kalpana Chawla, they performed 80 experiments before they started their tragic journey towards the land. So this shuttle had been claimed to be good for 100 flights more. But then too, having a good condition, it crashed due to some reasons. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college. after she graduated from Tagore School. So here, once interviewed in one interview, Kalpana Chawla told that when she was a child and she was living in Karnal, Haryana, so at that time she had never dreamed that in coming future when she will grow up, she would become one astronaut and she would be able to cross the borders. Frontiers means borders of space. So that was not her dream. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. So when she completed her graduation from Tagore School, and she got the permission to attend the engineering college, that was sufficient for her. She was happy that now she was going to attend the engineering, she was going to complete her engineering. But at that time she had never thought, she had never imagined that one day she would become one astronaut and she would go in the space, and that too from US, in one US space mission. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. So children, here when Kalpana Chawla, she completed her Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering. Now what is this aeronautical engineering? This is a branch of engineering that is concerned with the designing, with the production and maintenance of the aircrafts. So she completed her Bachelor of Science degree in that, and then she had a wish to complete her master's degree from United States of America. But she had to face the opposition of her father. So what did she do? Against her father's opposition, she went to United States of America, and there she completed her master's degree. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. So children, after completing her master's degree, Kalpana Chawla also earned a doctorate degree in aerospace engineering. She became the first Indian American woman astronaut to take off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and she participated in a successful space mission that was conducted by United States of America. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Here children, cheered means encouraged, and Kennedy Space Center, it is NASA's Launch Operations Center. It is located on Merritt Island, Cape Canaveral, Florida. Columbia, it is the name of a space shuttle, and liftoff means a vertical takeoff by an aircraft or a rocket vehicle or missile. So here when Kalpana Chawla was about to take off for her first space mission, her family was cheering, was motivating, encouraging her along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center, and they were watching the Columbia, means that space shuttle in which Kalpana Chawla was boarding. So when that Columbia was lifting off, it was taking off from the Kennedy Space Center. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Now, students, Kalpana Chawla, though she was born in Haryana, Karnal, Haryana, but later on she was accepted as the US citizen because she got married to the flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison, who was the citizen of United States of America. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. So now here, after becoming an astronaut, apart from being an astronaut, she was also having license to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. And she was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. Now, when Kalpana Chawla was qualified as a pilot, she was given certificate of a pilot. She started to think about some other challenge. And what was that other challenge? She applied to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She wanted to take participation in NASA's Space Shuttle program, and for that she applied and took it as a challenge in her life. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Students, what is this NASA? Yes, NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It is an independent agency of the United States federal government. So when Kalpana Chawla applied to NASA's Space Shuttle program, initially at the beginning, she was hired as a research scientist at NASA. And then in 1994, NASA selected her for training as an astronaut. So children, now here comes the end of part 1 of explanation. Tomorrow I'll meet you again with the remaining part of this lesson. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you.